Hello again, so this is the 11th one, I believe. This was from another snapshot that I got from the internet, and I'm just going to get on with it. So, I managed to capture the overall face and head shape of this girl. I really enjoyed this one because it was an actual hand over the face. It definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone purely because of the fingers half covering the eyes. Well, one eye, and the shape of the hair. I really enjoyed doing the shape of the hair. And it was also half closed eyes, which in the previous video you'll see that it was quite a difficult pose for me to do because of the half closed eyes. So good speed as well as good layout and proportions. I went for a more simplistic style of drawing the hair, and also trying to keep the pressure from the pencil as much as I could as possible. I used the Loomis and observational method. The neck wasn't in proportion with the rest of the body, but I knew where I went wrong. It was just right here that should have been a lot shorter because she was actually angling her body. So I knew where I had to actually improve the drawing and how to do it, and also found that the hand needed a little bit of work as well. But overall I felt that that was quite a good outcome for that first one. Second one, the jaw was a lot bigger than what it should have been. I knew where I went wrong, so I knew again how to correct the overall problem, and the hand was not quite right either. But again, I knew how to rectify the situation and also what to do. And the finger was not over the left eye as it should have been. It was actually showing the eye, but yeah, I knew what to do the next time. The third one, I feel between the first, which is that one, and the second one, I feel like the first one was definitely the better one, specifically because of the eyes and mainly the features and the hair. However, the neck in the third one was a lot better than the first one, as well as the hand. The hand was slightly more, the finger was slightly more kind of down on the eye. But yeah, I knew where to go to rectify it again. I feel like I'm a broken record, but you know what I mean. So good speed, captured the overall face shape. I used the Loomis observational and gestural methods. I again used a simplistic style to draw the hair. I feel like doing a simplistic way of drawing hair, actually in sketching overall, it just captures it a lot quicker and with a little bit more detail, because you can kind of get the gist of what you're trying to capture. But yeah, I know where to go for the next one, and I hope you stick around for more videos. Please subscribe and also start a wee bit of chat in the comments section and start a wee community. Thanks guys.